Practicing simple movements can help to improve your mobility and reduce the risk for falls. Today we'll show you 5 different exercises from seated or standing that you can do in your own home. If you do choose to go ahead and stand, make sure that you are near a wall or a chair so that you can hold on for balance as needed. Our first exercise will be upper body flexion and extension. You'll start with your feet shoulder distance apart. Inhale, sit or stand tall. Exhale, begin flexing forward, rounding through the back until you feel a gentle stretch through the back and the neck. Breathe wide into the ribcage, and as you begin stacking the vertebrae back up, you'll roll the shoulders back, lift the sternum, extend the spine. Return to your very best posture, and we'll repeat that again. Doing this exercise helps to loosen up any tension along the back, the neck, and through the spine. Helps you to breathe a little bit easier through the ribcage. And then extending back helps to build strength through the posture muscles and the core. Our second exercise will be a side bending exercise. Prepare to lean over to the right by sitting tall or standing tall, and begin to side bend, extending your arm as far as you feel comfortable. Return to upright and prepare for the other side. Again, reaching the arm just as far as you feel like you need to in order to get a stretch. As we move through our side bends, we're strengthening muscles at the core and muscles that support the spine. That strength coming from the midsection will help us move easier throughout our daily activities. Our next exercise is spinal rotation. You can begin with the arms over the chest, or for more stretch throughout the shoulder, bring the hands to the shoulders and draw them back. Inhale tall. As you exhale, twist and let your eyes follow the direction that you're moving. Inhale, return to center. And exhale, twist to the other side. Return to your good posture, and we'll do one more repetition each direction. Inhale tall, exhale, and twist once more. Keeping our spines flexible in this way helps us to reduce stiffness that occurs naturally with aging. This next exercise builds off of the last one, spinal rotation, but we'll also exercise our eyes. So as you turn, be sure to scan the room and turn only as far as your neck comfortably will allow. Return back to center, taking in all the details along the way. And we'll rotate to the other side, keeping in mind that eyesight is an important part of balance. As you look around the room, your brain can register where your body is in space. As we can feel and see where our body is in space, we can make little course corrections along the way to help us stay centered and balanced and prevent falls. Our last exercise is a dynamic balance exercise, so we'll be moving and challenging our balance. If you're standing, you may want to put a piece of tape down on the ground or just identify a straight line on the floor that you can use for reference. You won't need the straight line if you're sitting in your chair. We'll step forward with the foot, shifting our weight, reaching forward with the opposite arm, and then return to exactly where you started. Alternate back and forth. If you'd like to challenge yourself further, you'll reach a little further forward and return all the way to where you started. Or, as this becomes easier, see if you can step directly forward onto the line so that the exercise becomes almost like standing on a balance beam. As we challenge our bodies in this way, our muscles are going to need to coordinate just perfectly in order to bring ourselves back to center, and this helps us to prevent falls. Practice these 5 movements in sequence for about 5 minutes, 5 days of the week, and you'll enjoy the benefits of regular exercise. Benefits like improved sleep, balance, flexibility, mobility, and a reduced risk for falls. So, we hope that you'll stay active and be healthy.